Hey, thanks for joining us here at Leonard. I'm Jesse. Today, we're here with our 10x12 Pilot Steel. Can a metal building have style? Well, yes it can. Check out the two-tone color. No reason it can't look good in that backyard. Lots of color options, styles, choices. And as you look up, over top the front of this building, that boxed eave really looks nice. Keeps wind from underneath there, has function and style. Really gives that front of the building a finished look. To follow that two-tone paint, everything about this is gonna be nice in that backyard. But go down to the bottom here and look at these skid. Floor tied into it, nice and secure, sturdy and strong. When it comes to steel, the materials are thinner, not like a wood building, so you are actually gaining more capacity than a wood building. Let's go look inside here. Now we like to have lofts in our buildings. We like to use that space overhead. It's important to us to get the biggest bang for your buck. On these lofts, it's tied into our wall. We need support to tie the walls together. And right in the middle, that bar is just not meant to be in your way. We're tying it into the roof. This loft can handle a payload. That's what we need. And now we need to hang things on the wall too. We've got pegboard, standard. Get your attachments, hang what you need to. Everything's nice and finished in here. We've got it ready, safe, secure, solid floor. This is our painted floor. Trim around the edges, nice and sealed up, gives a good appeal to it. Two-tone outside, painted floor, tried and true. We're gonna make you a good building that's gonna last. A good door, roof, sides, walls, floor joists, everything about it needs to be here for the long haul. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.